details, please welcome Shannon Curry.
Animal experimentation. Most of you are probably thinking, but we need to know if the drugs are going to harm us. But did you know that 92% of tests that succeed in the animal trials then fail in the human clinical trials? New drugs are required to be tested on more than one species of animal, one of which being a large non-rodent, e.g. a dog. In fact, while on the subject of dogs, does anyone here have one? Raise your hand if you do, please. Right. Then you will be happy to know that our Prime Minister recently gave the thumbs up to establishing a beagle farm as a breeding centre for testing subjects. Imagine that was your dog. In 2013, 4.12 million experiments using animals took place. That means more than 4.12 million animals were burned, crippled, poisoned, abused, and tortured that year. In 2013, 3.8 million animals were used in experiments. These animals included dogs, cats, horses, rabbits, and many more. Tests described as moderate include sawing the top of a dog's head off, electrocuting rabbits, and planting stuff into monkeys' brains, all while conscious. There are so many other ways to test drugs nowadays with the technology we have, using leftover skin from surgical procedures and from donations, using human volunteers, using cells developed in labs much like ours. You're probably thinking now, but it's the law, how can we help it? Petitions, telling others, protests. Don't buy so much medicine, the stuff messes up your body anyway in the long run. Why fill your body up with so many chemicals? Many have found that natural remedies can help a lot as well. They are so much better for your body and don't have so many side effects. So the fight has been won against animal testing in cosmetics. Let's win the fight against animal testing in